Hello folks, today I want to show you this contraption I built for my skid steer. I apologize, I should have videotaped it as we were putting it together, but it's made all from pieces and parts. The two scraper blades are made from a old truck frame, and I cut them evenly. The only thing I really had to buy was the skid steer bracket. I buy those at auction. I think I paid like $50 a piece for them. The frame is a pony motor mount from a big water pump that I had laying around. So the thing does a really nice job. I'll see if I can get some of it on video and show you, but it's real simple. Basically, you have to keep those laid flat, and they just scarify or scrape like my driveway. So every so often I just go down the driveway and clean it up. As you can see, it's a little hard. I should have somebody here with me, but it does a nice job. It levels everything out. I'll try to set this camera so you can see it working. It's basically pretty simple. It just knocks all the humps down and does a pretty good job. As you can see, it does a pretty good job. I mean, it's a very simple setup. The way it works, the blades cover for them, the frame pieces cover for themselves, and it's good for. I do it every so often, and it keeps the driveway semi, smooth. If not, you get all those potholes from all the rain and everything else. But very simple. I think I probably have $50, maybe $75 tied up in it. So there you go. Of course, if you have any questions, message me. I'll be more than happy to ask you, you know, how we put it together or something like that. But it's common, basic stuff. Well, thank you. If you like it, subscribe to it. We got a whole bunch of these videos coming. Have a great day.